My name is Tuesday Champ, and one night I was sitting there having one of my pity party nights of being like the 18th diet plan that's failed me, you know. Was having a really depressing day. I was diagnosed with sarcoidosis and fibromyalgia like 10 years ago. So losing weight was really important to help with joint pain and all that, but I just kept trying all these plans and they kept failing for me. So as I'm sitting there in my chair eating Oreos and Doritos because I'm seriously like having a pity party for myself, crying, I'm like on my Facebook page. Sorry.
It's okay.
And I see Kaelin, and it's one of her self-love videos she did. I mean, I know it was about the program too, but the beginning of it was just saying it was like she was talking to just me. Like that was like it was sent to me from God. So that night, I was sitting here bawling through the whole video. And I mean, it was like 1 o'clock in the morning, and I went to the LadyBoss.com and signed up for the 7-day free trial. And by the next morning, I got approved for the Facebook group, and within 15 minutes, I bought life. I was a lifer. I was in 100%, just because I have never been around. I work in an industry where there's a lot of, it's really hard, it's really competitive with other women. So I've never really had good like relationships with women, and seeing all these women were doing for each other was just, it was amazing. It was so addictive. And I knew that I had to be a part of that, because to me it was like, I don't want to say a movement, but kind of, because I mean, the cliche is that women just don't get along, you know, and it's really not true. So like this whole trip has just been mind blowing, you know, just being able to meet all these women that have inspired me so much to lose 119 pounds, like, is insane. So, I mean, yeah, the whole program is literally, it's saved my life. Just because I can cut hair for 16 hours straight. Am I in pain? Well, anyone would be cutting hair for 16 hours, but the chronic pain has definitely, like the working out and all that has helped that so much. So I'm only taking 1 medication instead of like 7 medications, and it's just been life-saving as far as that goes. So yeah, I mean, yeah, I was so blessed to find LadyBoss, you know, like it was so great.
Yeah. What would you say to someone who's also tried 18 diets and failed 18 times and wonders, is this going to be any different?
I didn't, you know, I was worried that it wasn't going to be any different too. But I don't know, it's just, once you join it, I mean, it's hard, you know, but it's not just another diet. Like, they don't just give you, this is what you can eat, this is what you can drink, it's about self-love, you know. Like, to me, Kaelin she pushes that so much on, if you don't love yourself enough, then why would you do it for yourself? I mean, we give so much to all the other people in our lives. Why am I not worth, you know, what I give to others? Why am I not worth giving that to myself too? And that's what that main video was like, you're worth it too. Like, you can't feel guilty for taking care of yourself. And I don't know, she just spoke the truth, you know. So it was, I don't know why I believed it, but being a LadyBoss now for almost 19 months, like, everything that she has said was true. I mean, she told us all the lies in her book, you know, and then just the sisterhood has just been so great.
It's amazing.
So, yeah.
What's been the most fun of being a LadyBoss?
Just all the women that I've met. I mean, like last year, I ran a 5K. I've never run a 5K in my entire life. I do things now that I would never do before. Like, never. Never even attempt, because when I weighed 320 pounds, like, if I fell off of something, I would probably have to have surgery. You know, I'd end up breaking something. And now, I mean, I've gone hiking. I mean, this whole weekend, I literally have taken the stairs the whole time. 4 flights. We're on the top floor. Every time we've gone up and down, I would have never even been able to do it before LadyBoss. Like, so, I'm not even winded. Like, we're literally, you know, not running, but we're jogging up the steps, and it's like, whew, it just feels so great to be in better shape almost at 42 than I've ever been. Like, I know I still have more. I'm not exactly where I want to be, but I love myself right now. Like, and that's what she's really taught us, is to love yourself at every season, not just, you don't just love yourself when you get there. You have to love yourself enough to, you know, all the way through. So